Hello everybody, this is George from Driven, back again. Nice to see everybody. Today we're going to show you how to do a deep clean on your wheels. Here we have some HREs. They are on a wheel stand. The wheel stand's not necessary, but it helps, it just helps you spin it and make it easier. And we're going to go through the process of decontaminating, deep cleaning the tire inside and out. And let's walk you through the steps. Step one is to generally power wash the wheel off just to get a bunch of this brake dust off of here. As you can tell, the wheel is quite dirty. These haven't been cleaned in a very long time. The barrels look terrible. Yep, the barrels look really bad. So you can see there's a lot of dirt, a lot of brake dust caked up. And since we have the backside here, I'll start by rinsing this. We'll give it a rinse here. As far as wheel cleaning products, for the wheel cleaner itself, I really like Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. This is essentially like an Iron X, a little more aggressive on a pH scale, and it's a gel as opposed to liquid, so it tends to stick better and do a better job. And here I just have some all-purpose cleaner / degreaser mixed down to like a 1:6 ratio or so. 110 to 1:6, somewhere in there is fine. Obviously don't mix it too strong, otherwise it gets harsh. For the barrels we have the Easy Detail brush. Tires we have the Tough Scrub brush. And then we also have a fine detail brush. But usually what I do is I spray the wheel with our cleaner. Here I'm only really worried about the face, as I'll be doing the barrel when I flip the tire over, or the wheel over. And then since the degreaser is quicker acting, I hit it with the degreaser after while that sets up. As you can see, the tire's already showing some browning, and that's just dirt and stuff coming out. The wheel cleaner still hasn't started to turn purple. Like I said, the Koch Chemie takes a little longer to activate, so you have a little bit more working time. I also have some all-purpose cleaner and soap in my bucket to help give the tools a little bit of lube. That's a clog. Give these a quick scrub here. Get all that stuff off. Okay, as we can see, some of the wheels are already starting to turn purple. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna take my detail brush and work out the spokes, crevices, cracks. The cleaner is gonna be doing the bulk of the work. Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner is actually like the best wheel cleaner I've tried, and I've tried a bunch of them. Compared to Iron X, it is a little more aggressive. You shouldn't use this on paint, but because it's a gel and not a liquid, it does a better job at clinging onto the areas it has to clean chemically. With your brush, you're just ensuring that you're able to kind of lift some of the dirtier areas where there's a heavy amount of dust and some crevices that the cleaner might not get into. Okay, and then we're gonna hit the lug nut holes here. After after you're satisfied with how you cleaned it, you've gotten all the airs off, we're just gonna rinse the wheel off and then get ready to flip to the backside. Obviously already looks much better. And And now we're gonna flip to the back side. This part, a little unnecessary, but also super necessary. While you're here, you might as well degrease the back of the tire. Nobody will ever see it, but I mean, you're already here. And on the back side, you know, you want to make sure to get a good amount of wheel cleaner on the back of the spoke. Obviously, some of this will land on the face, but that's completely okay. We're going to do another full rinse of the wheel front and back. You know, get in the center cap. You just want to clean this as much as possible. And we're going to repeat the same steps as the front. I'm going to use the tire brush to scrub the tire. This one will obviously be a lot dirtier. These wheels have been cleaned and degreased in the past before, but I don't believe the back side ever has. Okay, now you have a few minutes to let the wheel cleaner set up. It's already working a lot quicker than it was on the barrel, or the front face in the barrel, sorry. That's probably because this has never been cleaned back here like that. So, and you see some purpling right going up down here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Easy Detail wheel brush. This is my favorite brush that I've tried. I've tried like the wheel woolies, we also have the microfiber one. But this one just seems to work the best. And I'm going to give the barrel a quick once over with this. As long as you have even coverage and you know, you give it a quick scrub, the brush will do the work and the cleaner's doing the work for you. I'm going to take the brush, I'm going to take care of these spokes here. So that way the back of the wheel is clean. If you were going to ceramic coat the wheel after, this is really great prep work as well. There's obviously a few more steps past the deep clean to ceramic coating a wheel, but this is really good for the prep phase. We won't be coating these wheels, but we will be locking them in with the sealant as the car they're going on is going to be for sale. So might as well keep it nice for the next owner. And while we're in here, I'm going to give the barrels a once over with the brush. This edge of the wheel that we couldn't hit with the Easy Detail brush. And then once again, we're going to rinse everything off. Make sure the wheel is fully clean. We're going to flip it around one more time. We're going to hit the face of it. As you can see, there's some soap cleaner on the wheel. We don't want that to sit before we dry it. And in short, that's how you deep clean a wheel. I guess check back again or later for more videos, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I guess we'll cut to what it looks like when it's dried up and sealed.